Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at factorizing the sum and difference of cubes. So this is the formula for difference of cubes because subtract means difference, and this is the formula for sum of cubes because plus means sum. So let's go and factorize these two expressions. So this one here is the difference of two cubes. So it might be easier to write it like this. This is like our x and this is like our y. So when we come to factorize, it's x minus y goes in the first bracket, and in the second bracket x squared. So 2x all squared gives us 4x squared. xy will be those two multiplied together, and then y squared will be 25y squared. Okay, so there we have it. We can't factorize any further because this, and indeed this, are always an irreducible quadratic. So that one's done. Let's have a go at this one. Doesn't look like a cube at all. But if we take out a common factor of x, we actually get the sum of two cubes because we get x cubed plus 64y cubed. X cubed is a perfect cube. Y cubed is a perfect cube, and 64 is a perfect cube because it's 4 cubed. So you don't have to, but it may make more sense to write it like this. So when we come to factorize, we'll leave the x out the front alone by now. So then it's going to be first thing plus second thing in that first bracket. In the second thing, it's going to be x squared, so minus the first times the second. So it'll be x times 4y, and that has a negative in front of it. And then at the end, it'll be 4y all squared, which is 16y squared. So, of course, if you were to expand this, you would get this after you collect like terms. If you expand this and collect like terms, you will get this here. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.